Hello everyone. Most of you guys don't know me. I'm Brandon, and today I'm gonna be going to hang out with my buddy. We're gonna go camp at his I guess you can call it his hiding spot. So I'm gonna spend maybe a night there, and before I go, I'm gonna stop in a grocery store here and grab a few things, and once I get that, and I'm gonna swing back to the house and then grab my buddies. Most of you haven't met my buddies yet, so I'm about to introduce you to my buddies. So here at grocery store, so we're gonna grab a few things, so let's go. Good right there. Grab some noodles. Let's see. We have. Let's see. I think we're gonna grab some. Let's see. A couple of those. Grab this. And last but not least, got my beverage. All right, on my way there, and had to pull over here just to capture some of this video. I thought it was unique and so nature-like. Here's another beautiful footage right here. Had to stop and capture this video. Well, finally made it. As you can see, my buddy's got the campfire started, and I'm gonna go ahead and settle right here and get everything ready and enjoy my my evening. Good morning, guys. So just got up here, and then looks like my buddy's got this coffee going here. It's still early early in the morning. It's pretty warm right now, so we're gonna drink our coffee and then enjoy the rest of the day. Okay, so I'd like you guys to introduce to my buddy right here, Aiden. 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 Hi. Good morning, Aiden. Good morning. Oh, good morning, Aiden. Hello. Hi. Well, he's a bit shy, but he loves the outdoor. Here's my other buddy. Hi, Misha. Hello, Misha. Hello, Misha. This way. Hello, Misha. Hi. Say hi. Yeah. Guys, take a look at that view right in front of me. It's a beautiful lake right there. We're gonna take a walk down there and show you guys that view from the other side of the lake over there. Whew, really windy today.
Well, would you like a look? Take a look at that mighty breakfast we got there. We'll go ahead and sit down. We're gonna eat this awesome breakfast, and we'll chase it down with great coffee. And after that, we're gonna stroll down to that beach over there, and we're gonna let the dogs run around and let them enjoy the beach area. Oh man, now that's what I call breakfast.
What was that? Oh, you want some of that breakfast? Misha? Misha, you want some of that, Aiden? You guys want some breakfast? Can't have that. Misha, Aiden, look at the camera. Alright guys. So this little guy here is doing his thing. You smell something there? Aiden, what did you smell, Aiden? What is that? Come on, Aiden, let's go. So we're gonna walk down here and show you that lake views right there. Really quite beautiful right here. So take a walk there. Show you this is his property up here. Yeah, this is a great place for me to camp too. So you guys see that there's actually a road that next time I'm gonna back up my SUV down this area. So I'm gonna camp somewhere down this area, right by that lake right there. Well, this little guy, he's showing me the way. All right, buddy, not there. That's not the way. Yep. All right, follow this trail. There you go. You know where to go. So, yep, we're almost there to that lake. You can see it. Oh man, that is so pretty right here. Come on, buddy. Let's go. Come on, buddy. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, come on. No, no. This way. This way, buddy. Let's go. So this is definitely an off-grid area. This land, nobody comes out here. He's got all this lake right here. This view. It's all his place right here. Yep. So we're almost there. Oh, look at that, guys. Look at that. Oh, if you guys see it yet. That view is awesome. Pretty windy right here today. Not too bad. But there we are. There we are, guys. Take that. Take a look at that. Gotta apologize for me holding this camera right here, but that's so he's got that beachfront property right there. Hope you guys can hear me. I know it's really windy right here. So the dog's out running around right there. So there he is. So let you guys see it. This is pretty spot right here. So I thought about coming out here and camp out here tonight. That's next time. So you guys see that? That is cool right there. So all of that is all his property right here. He comes out here. We can do a little fishing right here too next time, but this is actually an awesome spot right here. So that is so peaceful. I'll let you guys listen to that wave right there, the sound of that wave real quick. Oh, there goes Misha and Aiden. Misha, get back here. There she is. She's loving it. They like to run around the beach. I'm gonna walk over here a little bit. Come on, Misha. Let's go. So, oh, that's some deer trail. You can see it right there. Right there, there's a couple deer. Quite a bit of deer that comes out here. There's some water. You see that trail, deer trail? Right here. Yeah, they're out here. A deer trail, yeah. So so peaceful right here. Sounds just like the ocean. Man, that is so cool right here. Listen to it. So it's pretty good sized lake on that. Has like a slow bridge right there. If you go on the other side of it, it's quite a bit. There's some more land and pretty good sized lake on the other side, which all connected to here around this area. So cool. Wow. Oh wow, look at that clamps. Look at the size of this clamps right here. Look how big that is. That thing is huge. Oh man, look at that. So you guys can see how big this thing is. So yeah, you can find this mussels out here. They're everywhere. They're just everywhere. This place. Walk around here a little bit. So all this area, you see deer trails that come up here, and all that area on the other side, it's all federal land. So you can find all the animals come out here. They like to come out here and stroll down this beach right here. So that is. Nobody comes out here on his property. So he's planning on building a little shack right here so he can come out here summertime and wait and use this beach right here. It's actually peaceful. Peaceful place. Beautiful, beautiful.
Alright guys, so we made it back to our camp spot here, and as you can see here, I'm prepping the my dinner for tonight, and here what I got here is the chicken thighs, and as you can see, I'm just throwing all the marinades in there and let it soak into the meat, and we're gonna let it set for a little bit, and then once we did that, we're just gonna let it cook in the skillet. And then after that, we're gonna throw them in the grill, and we're gonna let the grill do the rest of the cooking. And look of it, it's just it's gonna taste so good. And like I said, you know, there's nothing. It tastes good if you don't cook outdoors. Man, I just love this little guy. Look at him. He is so scary. He's vicious. He's ready to fight somebody's angles. Look at him. He's ready. He's ready. And he is. Nope, not there yet. So as I was getting ready to leave here, and as you can see here, we have a slight thunderstorm, which it may appear that it's heading toward my directions, which directions that I'm heading. And I'll be heading back home. So I'm just gonna wait this one out for a little bit, and just see where it goes, and then slowly drive back home.
It's getting really intense now. That was a good one.
And of course, you've been Oklahoma weather, and the storm can be unpredictable sometimes. So you just have to see what's going on. I'm gonna go ahead and stop here and just kind of observe the weather for a little bit. It looks like this weather is heading east. Where I'm heading is west, so I may be getting a little bit of this storm. So I think it should be okay driving home. So we're just gonna have to slowly get through this rain right here. Overall, it should be okay. Well, it looks like I underestimated this rain right here, or the storm. But I think I've got the back end of it, and just gonna slowly drive through this rain here. Hopefully it'll pass soon. Well, I just want to thank everyone for watching this video, and I'll be seeing you guys the next one.